In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VS Code with Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know how to open Emergent AI, launch the cloud editor, and start working in a familiar VS Code environment right in your browser. Begin by heading to the Emergent AI homepage. Open the site in a modern browser for the best experience. Once the page loads, give it a moment to initialize. You should see the main interface ready for you to proceed. Next, look to the top of the page and click on the Code option. This takes you to the area where Emergent AI provides access to a cloud-based VS Code instance. Here you'll see the connection details you'll use to open the editor. First, copy the link provided. Keep it handy. This is what launches your VS Code session. Then, copy the password shown alongside it. Treat this as sensitive information. Do not share it, and consider storing it temporarily in a secure place like a password manager while you're setting up. You'll only need it to authenticate your session. If you want the fastest path, you can skip manual copying and simply click Open in Browser. This option usually opens VS Code directly in a new tab. If you're prompted for a password at any point, paste the one you copied earlier. If you chose the manual link, just paste it into your browser's address bar, press Enter, and authenticate when asked. When the VS Code window appears, you'll see the familiar layout. The Explorer panel on the left, the editor in the center, and tabs and status information around the edges. To begin working, click the file or folder you want to use. Selecting a folder reveals its contents in the Explorer. Selecting a file opens it in the editor. From here, you can read and modify code, save changes, and open the integrated terminal if you need to run commands. A few quick tips to keep your session smooth. If the Explorer isn't visible, click the file icon on the left sidebar to toggle it. If the editor is read only, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that your session has finished loading. And remember, keep your session credentials private and close the tab when you're done. That's the entire flow. Open Emergent AI, go to Code, copy the link and password or choose Open in Browser, and then click the files or folders you want to work with inside VS Code. You're now ready to use VS Code with Emergent AI for a seamless, browser-based coding experience.